Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Driving in Jamaica. Today we're going to drive on the busiest road in Jamaica, which is Mandala Highway. So we're going on to Mandala Highway now from Washington Boulevard. That overhead bridge that you see there takes Mandala Highway. It leads from Mandala Highway to Spanish Town Road. And Mandala Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica because it's the major road in and out of Kingston. Now if you want to go to Portmore, you have two options. You drive on Mandela Highway or you go on the Portmore Expressway. And that's entering Portmore from Kingston. If you go on the Portmore Expressway, very nice road, but it's a toll road, so you have to pay. And the toll is not cheap. So if you have to use that road every day, it's going to add up. So the other option is Mandela Highway. If you're going to Spanish Town, Mandala Highway. Portmore and Spanish Town have the two largest populations outside of Kingston and St. Andrew. So this is the road you use to get to Portmore, Spanish Town. This is the road you use to get from Portmore to Spanish Town to Kingston and to Halfway Tree. If you're going to downtown Kingston, you would take Mandela, go on to Spanish Town Road. If you're going to Halfway Tree, you would take Mandela, go on to Washington Boulevard and up to Halfway Tree. So this is the main road in Jamaica, and it's named after Nelson Mandela, the former Prime Minister of South Africa. As you can see, it's a very nice road. It's one of the best roads in Jamaica. It's well lit, it has lights, although most of them don't work. It has a bridge for you to get over to the Ferry Industrial Complex. 6 lanes, a very nice highway for Jamaica. Now on the left we're coming up on the Fesco gas station, which is the busiest gas station in Jamaica. It's also one of the largest. I mean, if you have this kind of traffic traveling on the road every day, it's only natural that the gas station will have a lot of traffic. On the right you're coming up on the Ferry Industrial Complex. It has a lot of business places. It has a school over there, but it has a lot of commercial buildings. Now, another reason why this road is so busy is there are two main highways in Jamaica. You have the Highway 2000 east-west leg, which takes you from Kingston to Maypen, Mandeville, Spanish Town. That road, you access it off Mandela Highway and it's on the left. I'll show it to you when we come up there. So it's called the PJ Patterson Highway, but it's the east-west leg of Highway 2000. Now if you want to go to Ocho Rios, Montego Bay, etc., you're going to take the second highway, which is the north-south highway. It's part of Highway 2000, but it's the north-south leg. That highway is called Edward Sierga Highway. Now these highways are named after former prime ministers. So that's another reason why Mandela Highway is so busy. This road is literally the lifeline to and from Kingston. And Kingston is the largest city in Jamaica, the most populated, it's the capital of Jamaica. So naturally everybody passes through Kingston at one point or another. Okay, on the left now, that road in the left lane, that leads you on to the PJ Patterson Highway or the east-west leg of Highway 2000. What is this car doing? You see the kind of indiscipline on the Jamaican roads? In the middle of the road, in the middle of the day, the man is making an illegal turn. Now, suppose we weren't paying attention and noticed that the man was slowing down, and this kind of indiscipline is why you need these metal barricades, these concrete barricades in the road. Anyway, on the left, that's the road that is the PJ Patterson Highway. That could have easily been an accident. And now he's going to block up the lanes on the other side to get over there. And all he had to do was come down here and make a U-turn, or turn left and come back out. But That's just how indisciplined the people are on the roads in Jamaica. And then you wonder why we have so many accidents. Unbelievable. But they should bring the concrete barricades all the way down to prevent that kind of thing. Alright, so now we're at the intersection where you turn left, and that will take you into Portmore. And Portmore it's a city. I think it's a third city in Jamaica, but it has a very large population. But we're going to go straight and stay on Mandala Highway. And as we continue on Mandala, it would take us eventually to Spanish Town. And as we said, Portmore and Spanish Town have the two largest populations outside of Kingston and St. Andrew. So at this point, Mandela Highway, it becomes 2 lanes. Before, it was 3 lanes. But I guess majority of the people going into Portmore, so you don't need 3 lanes to Spanish Town. Okay, on the right now, those lanes take you on to the north-south highway, which is the Sierga Highway. And so if we had followed those cars and veered right, that would take us on to the north-south highway. So the 2 major highways in Jamaica are the PJ Patterson Highway, that runs from Kingston to Mandeville. Well, it runs from Kingston to Maypen now, but they are currently extending it. The construction is on the way, so the highway will eventually run from Kingston to Mandeville. The Sierga Highway runs from Kingston to Ocho Rios to Miami Bay. So it runs from Kingston to St. Anne. And those highways have made a big difference on the flow of traffic in Jamaica. Those are the 2 main highways in Jamaica. So we'll do videos on them eventually. But right now we're on Mandela Highway and we're heading towards the Spanish Town area. This area is called Central Village. This part is a commercial section. On the left you have a lot of manufacturing plants and distribution centers. Wisinko, which is probably one of the largest distributors of drinks in Jamaica, there on the left. You have CB, which is one of the 2 companies in Jamaica that sells chicken. And you have Lasco, which is also a distributor and manufacturer. They are right here. You have CB on the left, and we're passing Wisinko now, and straight ahead is Lasco. So this is a very busy area but I think we're in Spanish Town now. We're definitely in St. Catherine. But this is the Central Village area. And as you can see, Lasco has a very large plant. I think they recently expanded it, because I don't remember it being so big. We're going to do a video on it one day. Send up a drone and get some footage of it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.